Welcome back as we explore the BIBaDO Coverall bib, designed for adventurous and independent little eaters. These long-sleeve bibs protect clothes and highchair seats from even the messiest mealtime disasters. The premium waterproof fabric is super soft and wipes clean easily to save you valuable time daily. Stylish Scandi designs look great on toddlers from 6 months all the way up to 3 years. Simply fasten the adjustable strap under your high chair tray to catch every single falling crumb. Experts endorse these bibs because they encourage children to explore food and develop essential motor skills. Enjoy a stress-free feeding journey while your baby focuses on having fun and learning to eat. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.